Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video on integration. In this video I have this integral to look at. Let's see how we go about it. So we have the integral of x plus 3. We're dividing this by the square root of x minus 1 dx. Right, now as you can see we have square root in the denominator, so we let u squared be equal to x minus 1. We obtain three equations from this one. The first equation is to solve for u. Take the positive square root on both sides and you get u is equal to the square root of x minus 1. You can rewrite this as x minus 1 to the power half. You'll see the importance of this at a later stage. That's the first equation. The second equation is to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So on the left hand side, you agree with me, implicitly we have 2u du. On the right hand side we just have dx, because the derivative of 1 minus 1 is 0, because minus 1 is a constant. The third equation we obtain from this one is to construct x plus 3. You can see in the numerator there. So we construct x plus 3 from this equation here as follows. So we have u squared plus 1 is equal to x, but I have x plus 3 there, so I must add 3 on both sides. So we have u squared plus 1 plus 3 is equal to x plus 3. Simplifying the left hand side, we have u squared plus 4 is equal to x plus 3. Now the entire of this integral can be transformed as follows. We have the integral of, remember, in place of x plus 3, I'm going to have to write u squared plus 4. And in the denominator, we have the square root of u squared. Remember, x minus 1 equals u squared, as you can see here. And in the place of dx, I have 2u du. So times 2u du. Right. Now we have to take 2 out because it's a constant, and I must put this in brackets. All right, taking 2 out, we have 2 times the integral of, remember in the numerator we have u squared plus 4. In brackets in the denominator, the positive square root of u squared is u, times here we have u du. And you can agree with me that the u's cancel. So what do I have? I have 2 times the integral of, I have 2 times, that is equal to 2 times the integral of u squared plus 4. And then we have du. I'm going to keep 2 outside, distribute the integral and du. And what I obtain is the following: 2 times the integral of u squared du plus the integral of 4 du. Remember, 4 is a constant, I can take it out. And I'm going to apply power rule here. So we have 2 times u power 3 over 3. Remember, you add 1 and then divide the result. And then we have plus, take 4 out, the integral of 1, of course, du. You say, where is 1 coming from? Well, 4 times 1 is 4. The integral of 1 with respect to u, you'll agree with me that this is basically plus 4u. And then plus the constant of integration. Distributing the 2, we have 2/3 u power 3 plus 8 u, and then plus the constant of integration. We must revert to our original variable, which is x. And what is the connection between u and x? Is x minus 1 to the power half. So I'm going to put x minus 1 power half here and there. So what I obtain is 2/3. And I have, remember, u is, I'm going to use brackets here now, x minus 1 to the power half. But the whole of this has to be cubed because we have a 3 there. Plus 8 times x minus 1 to the power half. And then plus the constant of integration. You can simplify this to 2/3 of x minus 1 to the power 3 over 2 plus 8 x minus 1 power half plus c. You can rewrite this as follows. Remember, this part here coming from there, this part here is just 3/2 is 1 plus half. So you can rewrite if you want. If you want to have our final solution containing the original expression in terms of square root of 1 minus square root of x minus 1, then this can change as follows. The equivalent form of this one is this one here. This will be 2/3 x minus 1 times the square root of x minus 1. And then we have plus 8 times the square root of x minus 1. And then plus the constant of integration. We know that c is a real number, constant of integration. This is how you evaluate this integral. Stopping here or there is just fine. There is no any problem at all. All right, I hope you found this useful. Tell me what you think about this integral. How would you have approached it? I used u-substitution. Maybe you would say advanced case of u-substitution, but yeah, I'll be interested to hear from you. All right, see you next time.